Understanding Mudslide Recovery. Hello, and welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're going to explore the topic of mudslide recovery. Mudslides can be devastating, but understanding the recovery process is crucial for communities and individuals affected. Let's dive into what mudslide recovery involves and why it's so important. Before we talk about recovery, it's essential to understand what a mudslide is. A mudslide is a natural disaster where mud flows down a slope, usually due to heavy rain or melting snow. It can damage buildings, roads, and landscapes. Recognizing the power of nature in this form helps us appreciate the efforts needed for recovery. The first step in mudslide recovery is the immediate response. This phase is all about ensuring safety and addressing urgent needs. Rescue teams search for and help trapped individuals, while others work to restore essential services like electricity and water. The focus here is on saving lives and providing emergency aid. After ensuring everyone's safety, the next phase is cleaning and reconstruction. This step involves removing mud and debris, repairing damaged structures, and rebuilding homes and roads. It's a time-consuming and costly process, but crucial for restoring normalcy. The community often comes together during this phase, showing the strength of human collaboration in the face of adversity. Long-term recovery goes beyond immediate fixes. It includes rehabilitating the affected area and preventing future mudslides. This might involve planting trees to stabilize the soil, building better drainage systems, and enforcing stricter building codes. Education on mudslide awareness also plays a significant role in this phase. Mudslide recovery is a complex process that requires immediate action, long-term planning, and community involvement. It's about more than just rebuilding structures. It's about restoring lives and preventing future disasters. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of mudslide recovery and the resilience of communities in the face of natural calamities. Stay safe and keep learning.